So the latest Pandora leaks is about 12 million leaked files, which has come from 14 to 15 global services firms who helped, corporates, individual creating, about 30,000 entities of private trust across the globe, and not in only jurisdiction which are very tax friendly and having very lenient tax structure, but also in the jurisdiction like New Zealand, US and Singapore, which having a very stringent tax laws. Now the ICIJ, the Global Consortium of Journalists, they also featured about 350 Indians, having some prominent names like Anil Ambani, Neera Radia, Vinod Adani, etc. So most of them, however, have denied any wrongdoing. They are saying, and they are rather claiming that these individuals may have created a multi-layered trust structure to do state planning, or maybe to ring fence their wealth. Now the point here is, which is quite debatable, is that the trust is not illegal. Setting up a trust is not illegal. So what is this investigation is all about? So while scrutinizing the paper, the consortium also saying that they also kind of probe the purpose of setting up these trusts, and they come across two key reasons. One is to hide the identity and distance themselves from the offshore entities, which is created for the state planning. And second is to safeguarding the investment, like some shareholding or maybe purchase of aircraft, etc., which they never disclosed. Now, these two purposes is subject to the investigation which the respective agencies will do, because the government on Monday ordered a multi-agency probe into it, and they will first see the income tax filing, whether they disclose these foreign assets or not, and if there is any mismatch, or if there is any foreign exchange violation, they will of course proceed with the notices and the further investigation. So earlier global leaks like Panama, Paradise, they were majorly dealt with offshore entities set up by wealthy individual corporates, and there is some sort of direct connection with that offshore entities. But the Pandora, on the other hand, talks about the new normal or a new modus operandi altogether. And this has been adopted after growing concerns of money laundering cases, tax terrorism, where a lot of these countries came forward and tighten the loopholes and step up their drive against black money generation. And amid all these steps which the countries have taken, they come out with this sort of arrangement where a trustee is a third party taking care of all your assets and do all your state planning, on behalf of course, the client. And the client and the corporates or the individual is the real beneficial. In the earlier cases, about 20,000 odd crore were identified as an undisclosed foreign asset. This case, since they have just started and the government just ordered the probe, we need to wait for some time to know that what is the quantum of undisclosed foreign asset through trust.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.